everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Cassandra if you're new here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to get this super cute ponytails inspired by Bella Hadid. I'll be doing my makeup as well. I'll be doing a box side look, so I hope you enjoy this. This is the look I'm starting with. I'm quite a mess. I just got back from a jog. I washed up, but I didn't do anything to my hair, and I only filled in my eyebrows a little bit. Here I'm starting with the mascara hack system. I'm putting on my highlight right now. Really like this system because it's a 3D foundation and it's just very quick to use. I'll apply that and then just blend it out. Brushes to this line are a killer. You can just really feel the quality when you're working with it. I've gotten some more questions about this line, so I'll provide a link below. It's super easy to get color matched for this line. You just send in your pictures and they'll give you the colors that work best for you. I love that you're getting a full coverage and it isn't too heavy, and it just gives you a dewy look. You're not too oily or dry. I'm applying the contour here. There's a few different brushes you can use for this. I am using the 30-second hack brush. The brush is a little bit thicker, but I find if you do your contour thicker towards the ear, it's a lot easier to blend out and gives you a sharp edge. I always contour around my forehead and jawline because that's what frames your face. So I'm trying out this eyeshadow palette. It's by Crown Pro. I've never heard of it before. I've never used it before. It came in my sister's BoxyCharm order and the color seemed really rich, so I wanted to give it a try. I'm applying just like a basic brown. It's a pretty color. I do find it has a little bit of an orange undertone. It went on pretty smooth, but I'm comparing these to the mascara eyeshadows, and I find the mascara eyeshadows are a little more powdery, which is easy for me to work with, and I personally like that. But it's all personal preference. I attempted to put in a little bit of a darker color on my outer corners and it just like spotted really weird. I couldn't blend it out, so I just fixed it with applying more of the brown color because I just didn't bother. It looked ridiculous. So after that, I decided to never use these eyeshadows again. So I'm just applying that one color to my entire lid. I'm trying to get more of the fox side look here, so I'm bringing out my liner a little bit and thicker at the ends, not dragging it throughout the entire lash line. I'm not used to doing my makeup in the camera yet, so I'm just going back and forth between the camera and the mirror. With the fox eyed look, you line the inner corners. I'm going to use my shadow because I didn't want to make it too dramatic, and I just found that I have more control. I know it looks kind of funny right now with no lashes, but I'm applying them right now, and you just apply a half lash for this look. So you can make those lashes as dramatic as you want or keep them more natural. I guess it depends whatever you're feeling that day. I always use tweezers to put on my lashes. It gets closer to the lash line and it's a lot more precise. You can see here I'm just gently pushing with my tweezers, making it really secure. My eyes are now finished. I feel like wearing lashes makes everything so much easier, and I like it a lot more than mascara because I feel like it ends up all over my face by the end of the day. I'm almost done, so I'm just putting the final touches. I'm putting on my blush here, and then I'll put on some of the illuminator. I'm using a highlight illuminator by Morphe. This one is called Spark. I use this one a lot. If you're looking for that extra glow, this one is definitely a good option. I don't have a lot of lip color left, so I've been playing around with what I have. So I'm just using a sample from Tarte and a CoverGirl lipstick as well. I am done now. I am just going to adjust my eyes a little bit. I always do that. I bring the shadow out just very slightly. And it helps to achieve the more lifted look, which is what we're going for when creating the fox eye. Now I'm going to move on to my hair. I'm gonna have to take it down and straighten it first. So I'll do that section by section, and I'll just kind of quickly go through it so you guys don't have to sit here and watch me just straighten my hair. Super excited to create this look for you guys. I saw a picture of it and I got inspired because it's just something so simple and easy, but very cute, and I think we just forget about those looks sometimes. To get this look, you'll need a comb with a pointy end. I couldn't find mine, so I happen to have a color brush around my house, so I am using the end of that to section off. You'll need something like this because you need to create clean lines. I'm sectioning off the front of my hair, and you can go over as much as you want, whatever you're comfortable with. I'm gonna play around for a bit to see how much you should bring over. Everyone's face shape is different, so it depends what you want. Just making sure here that my lines are clean, even the tiniest hairs can go over and just throw off the look. You can see here I'm bringing more hair over. I'm double checking everything, making sure everything is clean. Now that you're done the first step, you'll create a line that goes in front of the ear and kind of tucking the rest back, because the rest will go back into the ponytail. If you like what you see, come and get it with me. I know you deserve all the warmth, 'cause your heart's made of gold. But don't wait till you're old. If you want it, I'll get you some. Feel your body losing up the tension. Baby, did I mention I'll be here for you? And my body. Just doing a rough kind of ponytail here, making sure that I have all the hairs down that I want to be down, and then whatever needs to go back. So now I'm going to start to put my hair in the ponytail. I'm going to take the top section and do it slowly, section by section, brushing my hair several times because I do not want to have any bumps. I find that I have more control when I do the top section first. I create kind of like a half ponytail, and then I'll bring up the rest of the hair. I will go several times with my brush to avoid any bumps. The brush that I'm using here is my wet brush. I love it. I use it for everything. Now you'll want to take something like a boar bristle brush I have here. This brush helps to smooth out your hair. You'll want to use this brush when you're trying to create sleek looks. Slowly going with the brush, creating a bit of tension so everything pulls back smoothly. To give it extra hold and make sure everything is smooth, I'll use the Moroccan oil hairspray and just go over with my brush quickly. And then I'll secure my ponytail with an elastic. I'm using just a plain black elastic because I'm going to be wrapping some hair around it. Once I have that up and secure, I will take the section of my hair hanging down. I'll use a bit of hairspray and the boar bristle brush and smooth that out. Again, I'm trying to make sure everything is very clean and smooth, so I'll be making sure every little baby hair is sprayed down. So I'm bringing that section over and then I'll secure it with some bobby pins. I have a couple different lengths in the front because I have some bangs that are growing out. I want all of that section to be smoothed and secured down with the bobby pin, so I'm just finding the best place of where to put it.
You got something on your mind, I'ma try to help you let it.
Now you'll take a section from the top of the ponytail, either from the left or right side. You'll bring it over and start to wrap it around the elastic.
I'ma try to help you let it go.
Once you've gotten to the end, you'll just secure it with a bobby pin. Now that I have everything in place, I'm just going to quickly spray that down, and then I'll take the bottom of the ponytail, and with my flat iron, I'm going to create kind of like an under bevel look. Just kind of turning the flat iron in instead of going straight down. I'm doing it section by section. I'm adding just these plain hoop earrings, but I thought they would be really stylish with this look. Here it is, you guys. Look how stylish and how cute this looks. It was super easy. I hope this helped, and if you guys have any questions or have any ideas of what you guys would like to see me do next, then go ahead and leave a comment. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the bell and subscribe.
Or is it just a game? 'Cause I got high hopes.